Okay, this is where I'm at, if you can see that. And I'll try to put it in the description. And the trail's not marked very well. And as you can see out here, the trail's down there, but the turnoff to where the petroglyphs are, there's no markings. It's just like you have to look in the sand and then walk up to the rocks. But I walked up here and I found a petroglyph here. I don't know if it'll be easy to see with the reflection of the light, but there is some on the rock here, and depending on which way the lighting is. But that's it. It's right there on the rock in back of me. I did finally find the petroglyphs out here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So there it is. We're going to look at a couple more too here. So let's move around, and we come down here. You got to watch your step. And there was, I think I saw a couple more. Look, there was one here. It's a little hard to see, depending on which way the light is here on that one. And then up here, I thought I saw one. Very hard to see unless you're at the right angle, because the rocks have been eroded over time here. So there's one up here. One in there. And I'll try to get some different angles so maybe you can see it. I don't know. But I'll have to see. But a lot of rocks around here, so let's go look for some more. Okay, I found another one up here. See if we can get a little closer here for you. Get a better view. I gotta watch my step here. So there we go. Coming closer, as close as I can get it. Looks like that one might show up pretty well here. And let's see, we'll move on here. This one here is a little hard to see. I hope it's ancient and not somebody that put their own marks on here. I'll try to come over here to the other side, but I think it looks better on this side over here without getting my shadow in there, which I'm going to get. So, but there's some there on the rock. And still looking for some other ones. I'm going to walk over this way here and see if there's any more over here. Looks like some more big rocks over here, so there might be a good chance of finding some more. Oh, I see some more up top there. And I see a few critters and lizards around here moving around. Nothing dangerous though. Let's see if we can get up to that top one. Walk up here. It's a little steep. I got the camera in my hand, my other camera on my shoulder. Kid is maxed out here. Okay. Now I'm going to have to again get at those good angles here, because you really can't see it from this angle. So let me turn this off and find a way to the other side. Well, not sure. This might be better here. You might be able to see something on there. I'll try to see if you can see these. Getting my shadow in here, but can't help it. But trying to get that side view. Looks like it gets the best here. So you come in here. It actually looks better on the camera because it's such a small screen. Everything is condensed and whatnot. And those other rocks over there were some. Okay, there's another one here. See if I can get a little closer to this one here so you can see it. There you go. That one looks pretty good there. The old petroglyph. And I'm up here. I gotta climb up some rocks. See if there's any other ones. There's one there on that rock. Kind of worn out. And not not much to that one there. And oh well. I don't know if I got this one already, but I'll do it again. It's hard to keep track of which ones I saw and which ones I didn't. But there's some other ones. Try some different angles on here. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. Looking down on it. Some up at the top of the rock here also. It looks like a happy face. Very hard to see with my polarized sunglasses on. If I take the glasses off, it's a little bit better, but then I can't see. So maybe we can work this out in post to bring this up a little bit here. So we'll see. Well, I can see some off in the distance, kind of right in the center of the screen there. I see a rock. Hopefully it's ancient and not recent, where people have made their mark. But I'm going to try to go up there, and I see some other people over there too. Okay. Climbed up here, a little bit steep climb, very soft sand, a little bit out of breath. My water is in the car. It's hot. But I think this might be worth it, because here's a big rock here. We'll try to get some different angles on here if I can. Oh, there's more on the side here too, in the shade. Might be a little hard to see. But this rock has a lot of them on here. Yeah, quite a few here. Quite a few. Oh, some nice ones down at the bottom. Very nice. And here's the front of it again. Gotta watch my step. I don't fall down the hill, but some very nice ones here. Good. Yep. Very good. Okay. Found a nice one here. Looks like an animal. Very nice. Right there. That was still. So you can see that one pretty good. Yeah, we're going to come over here if I don't fall and try to get this one up on top here. Let's see. And there's a couple of them here. Right there. Yeah, I'm going to try to get a few more here. Okay. There's another one that's way up there. I got to do another climb in soft sand. It's right up there in back of me. I don't know if you can see it. It's on that rock. I'll try to get it with my other camera in 1080 and put it in the window there for you, but it's kind of hot, so we'll hold off. Here's some here that wasn't too bad of a climb, and we can see these a little bit better. I'm in here pretty close on these. There's a lot of them right in this area. So I pan over there. I'll try to walk over there and see if I can see them a little bit closer, but it's treacherous going here. Okay, got in a little closer up here. And we'll take some closer views here. And there we go. You can see a little bit better there. And some down here. Now I have to navigate my way around to the other side, which I better stop the camera. Okay, I climbed up here. I'm still out of breath, but just to get these shots here, and some good ones up on the other rock and up over here too. And okay, got in close here, so you can see these pretty good. A lot of effort getting up here, but for my fans out there, everything is worth it. There we go. Got a little face there, an animal. We got these other ones up here. Got that guy up top. And you got these over here, a little hard to see with this angle of the sun here. But not too much on this rock here though. Oh, there's some over here on this side. There's like an arrow in there. It's so hard to see. There's one on here. That one may be hard to see too. I don't know if I got this one. I'm not taking another step up just to get closer after I've gotten back down. But there's some on this rock over here in the shade. I'll try to get the camera in there so you can see it. There's one there. And over in there. Not sure if I got this guy here, because there's a lot of them here. I'll try to come over to the other side so you can see it with a different angle of the sun there. So yeah, so it's pretty good. Looks like some kind of a bug or butterfly or a bird or an eagle or something there. Who knows?